What is up, guys? BVF Collection back at it again with, another unwrapping today. Part blah 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 of opening the X birthday drop. In this package here, we got some amazing embroidered pieces. Okay, we got ourselves the work jacket and the kill shorts. The work jacket to me is a grail of mine, so I'm very excited to open that one up specifically. But the shorts as well, incredible piece. But without further ado, guys, let's get into it. All right. Boom. Boom. Pow. Bada bop boom. Pow. All right. Wrapping is open. This is the kill jacket right here on top. Go ahead and take that sucker out. Boom. Kill jacket. Extra large. Yes, sir. Very clean. Very clean. Oh, you can really see the embroidery nice on this compared to the brown from last video. And those shorts, here they are. Oh my god. So here we go. Perfect, sick. Okay, so check it out. Before I do open these up, I went ahead and got an XXL on the shorts because to me, I was like, I'd rather have a little bit extra length and then like just tie up the hem, the waistband, than to just get like an extra large or whatever. I just want a little extra length, hence the double XL. But unfortunately, you guys know the drill. Gotta take some pictures of it, dead stock. So we will be right back. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Just want to show you guys this real quick, the receipt. Here's the items, you know what I'm saying? Throw that off to the side. All right, so of the two, I believe I'm going to go with the kill shorts first and save the best for last. You feel me? All right, here we go. Look how it looks so big. That's what she said. But here we go. Boom. Oh my gosh, the quality looks amazing. These retailed for $88. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're beautiful. In person, they're much better. Like, with the flash, it's like shiny. Oh, sick. Look at this thing. Okay. Gotta open them up. Gotta open it up. What the heck? Okay, that came inside it. Wow, look at those things. Enormous kill hand. I'm messing with that. No loose threading. Looks fantastic. Let's see the inside. Oh, it's like a French terry, like the French terry hoodies. Well, here's what it looks like underneath. Very cool, very cool. Let's see the tag. Here's the tag. Double extra large. Here's the, the drawstrings. Metal tips. Very nice, very nice. Can't wait to try this on. And then on the back, I believe there's a pocket. Yup. Check it out, guys. Look at this pocket. We got ourselves a pocket there, and then we got, obviously, pockets on the left and right pocket or side. But yeah, overall, the shorts I'm very pleased with. I'm hoping that the double extra large isn't, like, super crazy because, like, to me in person, this is huge. So hopefully when I tie it up, it's going to be perfect. But yeah, without further ado, I believe it's about that time, ladies and gentlemen, to open up the work jacket. So we're going to go ahead and set this off to the side. You already know. And then, boom, the work jacket. I'm very nervous. I hope there's no loose threads. I think they got it. Quality control. This is an extremely high retail price of $188. Basically $200 for this thing. So, hopefully quality control is amazing on it. Without further ado, let's do this. Let's just do it real quick. Ready? Boom! Ooh! Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so freaking nice. Okay, so we're going to open it up. Pow. Oh, bag's going down. Bag going down. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the sleeve text. Fully embroidered, right? Very clean. To me, the sleeve text, to me, it feels like it's a little bit like small width-wise, if that makes sense. I don't know. Compared to like what I normally have, These feel like they're a lot more scrunched together. But still, amazing. We got ourselves the R, and then it says like revenge 3 times, and like in between there's like stars. Let me see if I can get that on camera for you guys. Yeah, you can get the R at least. But yeah, it says revenge on the outside of it 3 times. But we gotta do it. Well, actually, hold up. Let's check out this kill hand zipper. I thought this was a really neat little touch to have a kill hand as the zipper. I thought that was really cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. And then, you know, gotta save the best for last. Let's check out the inside. Okay, come on, work with me here. Something that's also worth noting, if you're like someone that knows zippers, this would make sense to you. So look, when the zipper's off, come on, get off here. One-handed sucks. Hold up, guys. 2 seconds, 1 and 2. Okay, cool. That was a long 2 seconds. So the zipper is on the left side, okay? And if you're into zippers, you should know that when the zipper's on the left, it's supposed to be like a girl's zip up. And then if it's on the right, that's meant for guys. At least that's what I'm told and what I know as far as zippers go. But let's go ahead and check out the inside. Very clean. I know this is very comfortable when I tried on the brown one in the last video. Very clean inside. Looks like very high quality. But we're here. Wait. So we can check out the tag. I'm going to check out this tag. And it's going to say, yep, XL right there. Made in Los Angeles, whatnot. And then the blank should be made in Vietnam. Yep, made in Vietnam. So let's go ahead and flip this bad boy. Here we go. Here it is. The kill jacket, ladies and gentlemen. Fully embroidery. Fully embroidered. Wow. I'm beyond impressed and amazed. I can't believe they actually did a freaking embroidered kill hand. I've been wanting an embroidered kill hand piece for so long. I've always been thinking, man, what if they did an embroidered kill hand? And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Although it does lack some detail, like for instance, X's tattoo versus dead. Like, bro, look at that E. That ain't even an E. But still, can't have complaints. From afar, it looks perfect. Up close, it looks amazing. Wow. Beyond, I'm just so happy. I love this thing. Shouts out to my dad. My dad actually bought this for me. So shouts out to my dad. The best piece ever gifted. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Yeah, not a whole lot else to say, really. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good day, good weekend, whatever the case may be. BVF Collection, signing off.